Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this INNOVA 2.7 LCD inspection camera for over 3 months now. And this is a great tool to have when you're trying to look inside small areas so you could find different things. I like how easy it is to use. This is how it looks. This is the LCD screen. On the back, you have to insert 4 AA batteries, which are not included. And then it has this extra long camera cord, but you can see this is where the camera is. I leave the case on just to protect it. Okay, so let me turn it on for you. So you're just gonna hold down the power button. Then once the camera's on, you can see I'm there. And then if you want to change the settings, you press the home button. And that's your contrast. You use these arrows to go up and down. Alright. If you want to change it again, you press home button again and change the color. Same thing. See? And that turns it off. If you want the light, press the light. And that lowers the light on the camera. Press home button, just turn it off. This is the brightness. Go home. And this is just the back button, just to turn the camera around. See? So now it's nice and straight. And this thing also brings these different attachments also. So it brings this magnetic, a little mirror, and this little hook. See how it looks in the drain? So you can see, you get a good view, see what's down there. It's a good camera. Then you're able to turn the camera. The hose is very flexible, so you can see if anything gets trapped in there. Very good. Very long. If you are interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description. And you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great inspection camera. I like how it has a 2.7-inch LCD screen here. To use it is very easy. So all the buttons are self-explanatory. It's very simple to use and it's easy to clean. This is how you install the cord. So and it's lightweight. It's made very well.